Hey y'all, welcome back to 2.5 Acres. My name is Mark. This is Kylan. All right, we're gonna do a open box. Is that what it's called?
Box opening.
We're gonna do an open. What is it called?
Unboxing.
All right, stop. We're gonna do an unboxing of Pupjoy. Pupjoy. It's a dog box. Gets all sorts of toys and stuff. So let's see what it is. All right, Vanna.
Oh. Dog treats.
Got some dog treats. What is it?
Lobster roll.
Lobster roll recipe. Very nice.
And all the treats are healthy.
Yeah, they're organic or all that expensive stuff.
And I think they're all made in the USA.
Pepper.
All made in the USA.
I think.
We believe
It
so.
should say on it.
All right, this one's Wild Earth dog snacks. No
Do
little
I need to hold
dog
these up
snacks. Yeah, so we can see it. There you go. Boom. Pepper's already in there. She smells it all. And here we go. We got a little bear. She likes to tear these things up. This will probably only last like 2 days. What are you doing? There you go. You want it? All right, this is a Biko family. Toby the Teddy. Eco-friendly soft toy. What else we got, Pepper? What else? Oh, she's digging into this. There it is. This is what you wanted. All right, we got some chewy items. Natural chew
Is that
chew
like her
toys.
other one she lost?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
smells the...
And this is 50% more chewing surface, bacon flavor. And we had one of these before, and these last a long time. Or longer than anything else we had. And, oh, she's trying to open that. The lobster rolls. I think she had this last time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
she
is
had something
this is our
else.
second box we had.
There's a stick in there too, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a stick?
I
Okay.
think that's what she's going after.
She's going crazy. All right. All right, let's see what this is.
She's
Is this what you want? She can't see Pepper. There we go. What? What? Okay, now. Okay, we got to show them though, Pepper. This is the Premier Market, meat market. Made in the USA. Hold on, Pepper. All right. You want this? This what you want? Okay, sit. Okay. All right, there you go. Go have fun. All right. That's our unboxing of the Pupjoy. That's how it's spelled right there. If you want to check that out. How much was this, honey?
$29.
It's $29. We probably got, I don't know how much these snacks are, so we'll have to look it up and see if it's
things. You got
5
5 things.
things. So we'll check them out and see. Pepper's going to town on that thing. So we check these out and see how the dog likes it. Everything we get from, she really likes, and these right here last a long time, especially have a puppy. These right here, forever, 2 days.
This is what we got.
Yeah, let me see that. This is another one we got. It's made in the USA, and see, she really hasn't made a dent in it.
I don't know where her ball is.
I know.
I guess she actually has, but it lasts a long time. So these are more expensive, but obviously they last 10 times longer. Here's another one. Aren't you supposed to put dog food in here?
Or
You could put a treat in there or something.
Yeah, but they're still like new. So there you go, folks. If you want to spoil your dog like we have, way too much, check them out. Okay. Y'all, thanks for watching. My name is Mark.
My name's Kylan.
Y'all have a good one.
We're up. Sit. Shake.
Nope. She's going fast motion.
Sit. Sit.
Yeah,
Shake.
yes, you are sitting, I guess.
Other one. Oh, okay. Lay. Lay down.
Lay her down.
She knows how to sit.
Okay, now sit.
Sit. Shake. Lay down. Lay.
Good girl.
That was a struggle.
How much do you weigh now? 43?
40.
40 pounds. Easy. Easy.